incredible.
Bobby Hornswoggle. Did you see that little old sky jockey zip down in there, Pooh? It's Halley's Comet, and he's landed in our backyard. There's going to be thousands of people are coming. They're going to have hot dogs. They're going to have helicopters and airplanes and tacos. This is our lucky day. We're going to be rich, Pooh. We're going to be rich.
Come on, let's go check it out.
Oh, come on, no way. Debbie, it's a waste of time. It's got to be 1,000 miles away. We've been our whole evening.
Don't give me that. You saw how close it was. It landed right over the hill. Now, that is not 1,000 miles away. Come on. You can find it, Mr. Adventure.
Debbie, don't you want to finish our champagne or something?
Take it with us. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, come on. It's a dog, come on. Well, I'll be greased and fried. What in blue blazes is the circus doing up in these parts? Yeah, I love the circus. Come on, maybe we can get us some free passes. Come on, Pooh. I never seen one that looked like this one before. Well, I don't know, Pooh. You know, there's something kind of peculiar around here. Where is everybody? You know, there ain't nobody around. Where's the dang ticket booth? How are we supposed to get in and see the show? Pooh? Pooh Bear? Where is that dog? Pooh? Something funny's happening around here. What in tarnation's going on here? Where's my dog? Where's my Pooh Bear? I'll tear this thing apart with my bare hands! This thing is wired!